Yes guys, so today I'm down at Bird's Green Fishery in Essex, I think it's in Ongar, down the road from Newlandall. You might know Newlandall. I'm on the bottom lake today, just come for a bend in the rod. Hopefully we can bag one soon. At the moment it's 7:15, so the sun's just coming up and it sets today at about 5:15, so it's one of them ones where I've got about 9-10 hours of daylight, and hopefully we can bag a fish in that time. But we have until 7 on this ticket here anyway, so hopefully bag one, so 12 hours of fishing. We'll see what happens. I'll give you a little tour around the lake in a minute, and show you the 2 spots I'm fishing and the methods I'm using. Yes guys, so I decided to bait my 2 areas. One was about 2 rod lengths out to my right hand side, and the other one was just off the corner of the island. I put about 3 to 4 pouchfuls of boilies out over each spot. Yeah, and hoped it would produce a fish, which later it did. Yes guys, so I'm just going to show you quickly where I'm fishing. So this is my swim here, my rod's down there. This is my bit of water, so from that tree coming out there, all the way around to the left corner of the island and down to these snags to my left. I've got 2 rods out today. One rod is literally just, put my finger in the camera, right there against the island on a little shelf, and then my right hand rod is down to the right over here, just in this area here. In this area here, I put a handful of boilies around that, halves and a couple of holes, and I put 1 pouch of boilie on the shelf. I've fished this lake quite a bit, and I've already had one, so tactics are working well. I'm using crucial baits, berry juice pop-up, and the NB1 airball pop-ups, and I'm baiting with the NB1. Nice sweet bait, lovely for the winter months, just to draw the carp in. So hopefully we can grab another bite or 2. We will see what happens in the near future. Yes guys, it's been a while since I've been on the camera. It's been about nearly a year already, over a year actually. So first outing with my cousin, first trip of 2022, managed to snag this lovely golden common. If it behaves for me, I'll get him up for the camera. There we go. Get the line out of the way. Quickly get him up to show you. Oh, it's about 6 degrees out here today, so it's not too cold, but nonetheless, any carp's welcome, especially when it's your first of 2022. So I'll get him up for you quick. Oh, these fish in here do not like being on the mat. So there we go. Exhibit A. Oh, he's fucking freezing. There you go guys, look at that lovely bar of gold.
in mid-February. Can't complain. I'd say he's about 17, 18 pound, maybe pushing 20. Got a fat old belly on him. Looks like he's stocked up for the winter. But yeah, I'll get back to you. Hopefully when I have another fish or when my cousin does. Nice one, guys.
Yes guys, so quick update. Had just the one fish so far. It's been quiet since I've had that bite. Not many shows. We're the only two on the lake, so we've got plenty of options to move. We're thinking about moving in the next maybe 20-30 minutes or so. Other than that, it's not really anything to go on. I've had a couple of liners here and there after introducing 3 or 4 boilies over each spot and a handful of tigers. But other than that, it's been a very quiet one. I think I managed to just put my rod in the right place at the right time when we first got here and nick that quick bite. If anything changes, I'll update you guys. And yeah, one love. Yes guys, so we've got another fish in the net, sulking. So that's 1 for me, 2 for Stu. It's been a decent day to say it's winter, or coming to the end of winter anyway, but can't grumble. I'll show you that fish in a second, but here's the lake from Stu's swim. Just pan across. See, I'm next door. I'm just a bit down there. There you go. Anything to say for the camera, mate?
What turned out to be a bit of a gloomy day has quite a successful session. Haven't been out since October last year.
Right.
And I think I've got another bite on my rod. Second fish. Only got one rod in the water at the moment. This one's being a bit of a...
There we go, lovely colours on that.
But not the biggest by any means, but when it's this cold,
they're all welcome.
I could catch a 4-pounder and I would be happy.
All welcome.
That's why we do it.
Alright guys, get some stills of this and put him back.
Fucking rig on you there.
Yes guys, so it's been a eventful day, to say the least. I've had 1, Stu's had 2. I've only got 1 rod in the water now, so I'm going to start slowly packing up as I've cast my second rod close to the island for the last hour of our session, and I've hit the trailing line that was hanging from a tree all the way into the water, so I've reeled back in, and obviously it's caught on the line and I've had to pull for a break. So at least I got the majority of the line back, only my rig is out there. But yeah, it's annoying when that happens, when people cast towards islands and that and land them in the trees, and then you cast a good cast, land it in the water, but there are lines in the water, so it all gets caught up. But nonetheless, we've caught 3 nice carp today. I'll put all the photos in the end, at the end of the video, and next to the timestamps of when they were caught. Other than that, didn't really have much time to do filming today as the weather has been shit. It's just been pouring down all day. But in the next video, more than likely we will be back at Birds Green. This time we'll be on the top lake, as I said earlier on in the video, so just to get back out, get back into it. But yeah, I'll talk more through my rigs, what my plans are for the rest of this season and the forthcoming season. We'll see what happens. But anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I just want a big shout out to Jeff and the Crucial Baits team, always supporting me, and the Carpers Essential team as well. Big up Steve, always supplying me with the goods. But anyway guys, catch you in a bit.